Out of brown sugar? We'll show you how to make it. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of molasses. We're making medium brown sugar. These are the quantities for darker or lighter brown sugar. We discovered that homemade brown sugar tastes better than store-bought brown sugar. Now mix the two together with your hands, like this. It's like a massage. As it becomes more incorporated, you can start rubbing it between your hands. The heat from your hands helps them combine more quickly and evenly. We tried doing this with a whisk, then with beaters, and a food processor. With all these methods, we were left with lumps, so we highly recommend using your hands. No tools required. A bonus with homemade sugar is that it takes a lot longer to go hard than store-bought. It makes you wonder, why even buy store-bought brown sugar? The sugar is done and ready to use. If you like this handy trick for making brown sugar, you might like these too.